Meet Henry from Numatic International, Europe's favourite fast and friendly professional vacuum cleaner. So what is it that makes Henry the industry favourite? Is it the long-life engineering and proven reliability? It starts with the high-performance twin-flow motor, twice as big as many, and it shows. Is it the professional quality construction and accessories? Henry uses the toughest materials and genuine stainless steel as standard. Or is it the Tritex 3-stage filtration and HEPA flow dust bags, providing exceptional performance, big capacity, and clean and easy emptying? Is it the way his unique accessories provide an answer to almost every possible situation? Or is it his green credentials? Henry's power-saving low-energy switch means that energy need never be wasted.
It's all over the floor as well. Feet up again, please. Did any of this go in your mouth? Oh, there's mess up here too, Henry.
Is it that Henry was designed and is often expected to work up to 8 hours day or night without complaining? Or is it because Henry likes to bring a smile wherever he goes?
Just pop this brush up. There you are. Clear all this up. Brilliant. Fast. I know what we can do here, Henry.
With his unique double-ended stainless steel tube set, there is nothing much Henry can't get to. It's all part of that long-life quality design. Henry's been setting professional cleaning standards for over 20 years, with more than 5 million sold. There's just nothing quite like a Henry. Ask any Henry owner.